There's my brother. He's leaving too, apparently. Oh my god. Someone's been smoking. So I was just running to the bank real quick. Just make it nice SDK. I think I covered it. Covered the camera at the wrong time. But yeah, I was just gonna run to the bank real quick, deposit some money. I just want to talk about my new gear too, since I haven't made a video in a little while. The last video I made was, yeah, I forgot, but it was me wearing my my older gear with the Joe Rocket green gloves, Icon Overlord Reaver jacket, textile jacket, and my HJC helmet, the Punisher one. Yeah, so the gear I'm rocking now is, oh my god, it's chilly. Let's start with the gloves. The gloves. Got some Alpine Stars SP2 V2 gloves. Full leather, gauntlet style leather gloves. They're really nice. Did my music just stop? Yeah, I like these gloves. I like the longer gloves. They just look nicer to me. Yeah, I was looking at the short cut-off wrist, or wrist cut-off gloves. They look a lot wider. People drive like they drive so weird around here. I was gonna go into the second lane, but I had a feeling that car was gonna cut into my lane, which he did. So I moved over. But yeah, anyway, so I was saying, I was looking at the short wrist leather gloves. They just look fatter, not as appealing to me. These look slimmer, they are longer. Fitment wise, I think these feel better, you know, compared to the short, I'm just calling them short wrist gloves, or short gloves, whatever. Short gloves, I have to get like a size large or bigger, otherwise they won't fit well. These are medium, which should be the size that I'm wearing for the short gloves as well. It doesn't make any sense, but I've tried on the gloves. The medium does not fit with the short ones. Or well, they do, but they're super tight, extremely tight. Yeah, but these long gloves, they take the cake for me. I really like them. I enjoyed them so much. Moving on. Next is my jacket. The leather jacket I'm rocking right now is Alpine Stars, I believe GP Pro. I don't remember the exact name, but apparently I remember the exact name for the gloves. Funny. I really like the jacket. Mostly leather. There are some parts where it's fabric, like this black part on my arm right here. It flexes a little. That flexibility allows me to actually like fit very nicely into the sleeves. There's some along my shoulder area on the back. Imagine if those weren't there. I would barely be able to move around. NANI? Yeah, not much to say about the jacket other than it fits well, it feels nice. That's my car! Yeah, I feel so much more protected than the other jacket I have. Not saying that the other jacket is crap. I'm just saying this is a lot better. It feels way better, looks way nicer. Alright, next piece of gear. That would be my... Oh my god! I didn't know it was so close! Next piece of gear, well actually I'll come back to it. I need to get off right now. Beep, boop, 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 boop. Oh, turned off really quietly. Deposited some money. Wish I didn't have to deposit. I wish I could just only withdraw money. Wouldn't that be great? Wouldn't that be great? Never run out of money. That'd be awesome sauce. Sorry, I've been watching this kind of new TV show. I'm not sure if it's new actually, but I've been watching this show called Troll Hunters. Cartoon, yes I know, but it's pretty awesome. Alright, so moving on to the last piece of gear that I purchased to replace my old one is, of course, my helmet. I went with Shoei. Went with the Shoei RF1200. And boy, this helmet is awesome. Let's take a different street. This helmet is solid. You cannot go wrong with this helmet. Well, you can go wrong with the price, but it is, let me tell you, it's worth it. Worth the money. Worth every little bit of money. Fits like a dream. I'm sure there are helmets that fit better, but this one pretty much matched every single little specification that I was looking for. It fit nice. It looked nice. It had all the colors I was looking for on it. Yeah, that's fantastic. Let me tell you, major upgrade. Oh, I didn't see him. Sorry. Major upgrade from my HGC helmet. Let me tell you that. I mean, of course, any $500-$600 helmet would be an upgrade from a $150 one. I'm not basing this off of anything other than the one or the two helmets that I have. This one and the other one. The other helmet, it looks great. It's awesome. Punisher, two Punisher skulls on the side, the Punisher words on the back, and a bigger skull on the top, which is probably doesn't look like the Punisher skull, but nonetheless, the Punisher looks great. Other than that, it'll lose in the other departments, such as fit and feel, and what's that word? Not functionality, but features. Yeah, I guess features and build quality. Fit and feel, build quality, and what was that word? I just lost it. Fit and feel, features, and build quality. There you go. Also, I went to a barber just in that corner plaza over there. Oh, old man driving a Fiat. There's a lot of kids on that. Jesus, I got distracted. I get distracted very easily. I don't like being on the slope. Yeah, where was? Ooh. See what I mean? I get distracted easily. For the gloves, Joe Rocket something gloves look very similar to this. Well, but it's black and green. Jacket, Icon Overlord Reaver jacket. Nice jacket. Yeah, removable inner liner. Nice jacket. But I wanted leather. And the helmet. HJC CL17 Punisher edition. And now I have the all Alpinestars, well, other than helmet. I don't think Alpinestars makes helmets. That'd be cool if they did. I would have gotten it just so I can match. The Alpinestars SP2 V2. Alpinestars GP Pro leather jacket. And a Shoei RF 1200 Incision. Well, hope you liked the video. It's just brief and short video. Ah! Yep. Hope you like it. I cannot speak. I can never speak whenever I turn on this camera. But do enjoy the video. Well, this is actually at the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, like, subscribe, dislike, whatever. And wait for the next video. Oh shit. Oh, I like the song. You know what? I'll do some chores. It's as far as I'm bringing it though. Alright guys, peace out.